watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
If you have a small living room and you're wondering how to make the most of it, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore chic and stylish ideas to transform your small living room into a cozy and inviting space. Whether you prefer modern minimalism or a more eclectic style, these tips will help you create a beautiful and functional living room. Bright and airy. Use light colors to make the room feel larger. Incorporate bright pillows and a striped rug for added interest. Cozy boho attic. Add a sectional pallet table and layered rugs. Use a gallery wall and string lights for a cozy vibe. Modern minimalism. Opt for a gray sofa and built-in fireplace. Add potted plants and a round table to keep it simple. Lively and inviting. Use white furniture with navy stools and a printed rug. Add airy curtains for a breezy feel. Neutral boho. Combine a white sectional with a woven table and jute rug. Decorate with pampas grass and a gallery wall. Textured neutrals. Include a sofa, chairs, and a window seat. Use a leather ottoman and lots of textures. Gallery wall focus. Place a sectional sofa and wooden table. Add fur pillows and a gallery wall shelf. Natural elements. Combine a sectional with a leather ottoman. Use a woven lamp and potted plant. Peaceful vibes. Decorate with a gray sectional, printed pillows, and plants. Use a gold table and printed rugs. Boho chic. Add a gray sofa, white table, and layered rugs. Decorate with neutral tables, candles, and artwork. Glam touch. Use a sectional sofa with a pallet table. Add a fur rug and crystal lamp. Boho neutrals. Combine a white sofa with woven items. Add a wooden TV unit and sunburst mirror. Color pop. Use a gray sofa and pink chair. Decorate with a glazed wall and potted plants. Rustic boho. Add a rust-colored sofa and printed pillows. Use mid-century modern furniture and a boho rug. Green oasis. Combine a white sectional with woven and wooden items. Add a gallery wall and potted plants. Modern boho. Use a leather butterfly chair and wooden table. Add lots of plants on stands. Colorful accents. Decorate with a neutral sofa and turquoise rug. Add a boho ottoman and pretty plates. Contemporary style. Use a wood-clad wall with a dark sectional. Add a wooden table and simple lamps. Boho meets contemporary. Combine a gray sectional with a wooden table. Decorate with a gallery wall and bright pillows. Cozy nook. Use a gray sofa, knit ottomans, and metal lamps. Add pin leg tables and a large window for light. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a chic and stylish small living room that you'll love. Remember, the key is to keep it light, bright, and functional. Whether you go for a minimalist look or something more eclectic, your small living room can be both cozy and charming. Happy decorating!